The Khumulwng Press Club felicitated Cabinet Minister Animesh Debbarma by giving Risa and a bouquet of flower. Khumulwng Press Club President Khumulwng Debbarma, Secretary Ranjit Debbarma, AGS Manas Debbarma and other members were also present. On Thursday, Animesh Debbarma have been inducted into the Cabinet Minister at the Raj Bhavan. After the oath-taking ceremony, Cabinet Minister Animesh Debbarma sat in his office at the Secretariat. Two new Tripura MLAs were inducted as ministers. On this occasion, the members of Khumulwng Press Club felicitated Cabinet Minister Animesh Debbarma by giving Risa and a bouquet of flower. At first, Khumulwng Press Club President Khumulwng Debbarma expressed his gratitude with a Risa to Cabinet Minister Animesh Debbarma. After that, Khumulwng Press Club Secretary Ranjit Debbarma offers his gratitude gifting a bouquet of flower. Khumulwng Press Club AGS Manas Debbarma, Amulya Debbarma, Hanif Ali, TIPA President Gautam Debbarma, Organizing Secretary Braja Gopal Debbarma, Bipul Debbarma and others were also present.
Chini Khumulwng Press Club, the Khumulwng Press Club Executive Committee ni jota dong dok. Chini katal Cabinet Minister Sir Animesh Debbarma no thangi malalaika. Chini Khumulwng Press Club ni bukaktui bono sung Risa tai khumbai ke lamdak soka. Balaiki khatung mani kok sungri nubi manka hai no hai tei khorok ni Tripura MLA khoroksano Cabinet Minister tei khoroksano Minister of State achuk thai jakha borok hasil Tripura sarok ni bagai hasini lukurok ni hamkrai ni bagai borok ni bukaktei borok ni yaktei samong khai jagan ni sung khatungo obo haikeno sung borok ni bisingtei Khumulwng Press Club ni bisingtei borok no koina ni musuknai hasini joto Tripura lukurok ni hamkrai ni bagai borok buskang ni jorabo samong khai thangteng ei borok je Tripura sarok no kogrumani akogruk no sukungni thangteng ni jeng koimon naro.
Likewise, the members of Khumulwng Press Club expressed their gratitude and congratulated to Minister of State Risa Debbarma. They further requested the new cabinet minister to work for the welfare of the people. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.